Here is my Simpson tablet. If you ever experience trying to cut your tablet on and it doesn't come on, this is called a blackout. What you have to do to solve this problem and save money, you can do this yourself. Take a credit card like this, but first take out your SIM card. Take that out. You take the credit card, you work it in where you see the line of the, you work it in like that. Work it all the way around. Right where you see that line at like this, you work it in. Work it in like that. Just go slowly around till you hear it popping loose. Once you get it loose, lift up on it and turn it around. You'll see the connection. This connection right here, you take that loose. If you take that loose and then you go to click it back on, once you hook it back up and your tablet is still in the blackout, you have to go to the battery source. Go to the battery source right here where you see the red, green, and black. Take a toothpick, go under the wires and lift up slightly until you pop it up. Once you pop it up, count to about 10 or 20 and then reconnect it. Once you reconnect it, before you try to put it all back together, you take a toothpick and you tap on the button right where, if it was connected where the button would be, you hold down on that. And voila, the blackout is solved. Your Simpson pad is back on track. You solve your own blackout problem without spending a lot of money at some computer store to get it right, when they know it's an easy fix. So what you do now, is before you snap it back together, take a little remembering and place right here where you see the problem was that you fixed it with. And just like I put fix blackout problem. And then you take that and you reconnect it by flipping it over, putting it back in place, and slowly go around the edges, snapping your tablet back in place. And there's your fix, how to fix your tablet. Once you fix your tablet and snap it back in place, you take your SIM card and you put it right back in there like it went. And you are all good to go. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up. We're saving you money.